being moved on to the listener is fine because you're going to write the call order one day and all the time well.
The original 6th century Dover monastery was probably located on the site not occupied by St. Augustine's chapel. St. Columkill was also known as St. Columba and was born in the year 521